Founded in 1996 with the purpose of manufacturing and trading GRP, glass fiber reinforced plastic pipes, using the advanced continuous filament winding technology worldwide, is a partnership of Yapı Merkezi Holding and Amiantit Group of companies. Having the privilege of being the first technological facility in Turkey in the field of GRP pipe production and using its own R&D and developed technology, Subor offers solutions for different infrastructure applications for over 25 years, with its wide variety of products and service portfolio, ranging from circular pipes to non-circular pipes, from jacking pipes to biaxial pipes. Subor has an annual production capacity of 1,200 kilometer GRP pipes today, with its 5 production lines, 4 at Sakarya plant and 1 at Şanlıurfa plant. Depending on the project conditions, Subor is capable to provide optimum customized solutions with its fully integrated quality approach to meet the engineering requirements, in compliance with the world's most fundamental and acknowledged industry standards, such as AWWA, ASTM, ISO, EN, GN, and BS. By manufacturing pipes in a range from 200 to 4,000 millimeter diameter and from 1 bar to 40 bar pressure in its fittings, Subor provides accurate solutions for a wide variety of projects such as potable water projects, irrigation projects, power plant projects, manufacture of jacking pipe, which allows trenchless installations, wastewater and stormwater projects. Offering its products for use also in the global markets ever since the beginning of its production activity, Subor has gained pace in its export activities in the recent years and exports 70% of its production worldwide today. Subor now conveys water to the future with confidence in 75+ countries throughout 5 continents and fostering global progress. Subor, growing into an important and globally preferred brand in its sector, takes pride in delivering water, the most fundamental value of life, in a healthy, environment-friendly, and safe way to the world, and contributing to its conveyance to the future generations. Today, Subor is amongst the leading GRP pipe manufacturers and has created a reputable brand name in the world through its successful references. Subor will continue to improve its global presence by creating value to its partners and to enhance the quality of people's lives. Our successful track record and strong experience make us your global solution partner in pipe systems.